The Auspice TV.
If you experience something like this, just follow my steps and you get everything right. Here we go. Go to Clubkonnect, register, login. This is my account. So we scroll down, click on Developers API. Now click on Buy Airtime API because anything you do here will reflect on others. You can see Clubkonnect has recharge card pin, so it will reflect on our customer accounts now. So Buy Airtime, click here. Scroll down. Now on this place, by default, this is not there. I was the one that put it there. So on Samora board, this is your server IP. You need it. Copy it. Come to this place and paste it here.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.